Welcome to Lord Dattas. In this video, I'm going to speak about what is that syllabus which is covered in CMT Level 1. The major portions of CMT Level 1 constitutes patterns, trend analysis, indicators, ethics, statistical analysis, selections, decision making, and various other concepts of technical analysis. So it is basically to test your knowledge on these technical concepts in level 1. Very soon we are going to announce a program on CMT preparation for level 1. So get going, get more information, get more understanding on the benefits of CMT program. Happy trading. Thank you.